Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to general agriculture which have been repeated in most of the competitive exams. Moving on to the first question. pH of acid soils is around. The pH of acid soils is around 4 to 5, and for the reclamation of acid soils we have to go for the lime application. Central Soil Water Conservation and Training Institute is located at. It is located at Dehradun. Water and inorganic nutrients are transported through. The water and the inorganic nutrients are transported through the xylem, whereas the food materials are transported through the phloem. Most toxic isomer of BHC. BHC is benzene hexachloride. Gamma isomer of BHC is the most toxic form. It is also called as lindane and it is used as an insecticide. Which of the following is referred as white gold? Cotton is referred as white gold. Ear cockle disease of wheat is due to. Ear cockle disease of wheat is due to nematodes, that is Anguina tritici, and it is also found in association with Clavibacter tritici, which is a bacterium. And the ear cockle nematode, that is the Anguina tritici, is the first observed parasitic nematode. Next one, greenhouse gas having largest contribution to global warming is. It is carbon dioxide, which is 60%. White bud in maize is due to the deficiency of. White bud in maize is due to the deficiency of zinc. Who is the founder of Amul? Amul, which is Anand Milk Union Limited, the founder is Verghese Kurian, who is also known as father of white revolution. NBPGR is located at. NBPGR, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, is located at Delhi and it is formed in the year 1976. World's first food prize was awarded to. World's first food prize was awarded to M.S. Swaminathan, who is called as father of Green Revolution in India. What is poor man's Kamadhenu? Goat is called as poor man's Kamadhenu. World Food Day is celebrated on. World Food Day is celebrated on 16th October. And 23rd December is the Farmers' Day or the Kisan Day. 16th July is the ICAR Formation Day or the ICAR Day. And 8th March is the Women's Day. Acid rains are due to. Acid rains are due to nitrous and sulfur oxides. Stomatal activity is controlled by. The stomatal activity is controlled by potassium. Degreening is done in. Degreening is a post-harvest treatment which is done with ethylene under the controlled conditions to hasten the loss of the chlorophyll and to allow the natural pigments to express themselves. And degreening is the process which is followed in mango, banana and citrus. Queen of genetics is. Drosophila melanogaster is called as Queen of Genetics or Cinderella of Genetics because it has a greater relation or a close relation with that of the genes of the humans, and also it has a short life cycle. Black heart of potato is due to the deficiency of. Black heart of potato is due to the deficiency of oxygen. Calvin cycle is also called as. Calvin cycle is also called as C3 cycle, and it is called as a C3 cycle because the first stable compound is a 3-carbon compound which is phosphoglycerate. Which of the following nutrient is not essential element for plants? Essential elements are 17 and sodium is not the essential element. It is a beneficial element. Edible part of sweet potato is. In sweet potato, the edible part is roots. Golden rice is rich in which vitamin? Golden rice is rich in vitamin A. First commercially cultivated GM crop in India, that is genetically modified crop in India. The first cultivated GM crop in India is cotton, which is BT cotton. A joint venture between the Monsanto and Mahiko company introduced the GM cotton in the year 2002 in India. Next one, most commonly used measure of dispersion is. The most commonly used measure of dispersion is standard deviation. Here in the options we have arithmetic mean, harmonic mean and the geometric mean. These are the measures of central tendency. The most commonly used measure of dispersion is standard deviation, and the most commonly used measure of central tendency is arithmetic mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Find out the value of the mode from the data. Mode is the most commonly occurring value or the mostly repeated value. Here we have 5, which is repeated thrice. So the mode of the given data is 5. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content related to agriculture.